behalf of CBIT, we are conducting World Entrepreneurship Day celebrations today. I welcome Principal Sir and all the other participants, faculty, professors, everyone. So with the permission of the chair, I request the prayer song to be started.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये अगजा आननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे
I request our director, I&I, Dr. Umakant Chaudhary sir, to brief about today's events and all the 4 days activities which are going to take place. Over to Umakant Chaudhary sir.
Good morning to all. Respected Principal Sir Dr. P. Ravindra Reddy Garu, Sri Venkatesh Aramalla, CEO Confluence, and our alumni, directors, joint directors, HODs, faculties, staff, and students from CBIT and other colleges. It's a glorious moment for me to extend a warm welcome to our Principal Sir Dr. P. Ravindra Reddy Garu, who has been a constant source of inspiration for innovation, incubation, and entrepreneurship program in the CBIT campus. It's a great pleasure to welcome Sri Venkatesh Aramalla, CEO Confluence Center for Sustainable Development, alumni CBIT, who will be delivering a lecture on building successful startups for our students. I would like to welcome all directors, joint directors, HODs, faculty, staff, and students of CBIT and other colleges present here on this virtual platform. I would like to mention here that the event celebration of the World Entrepreneurs Day will be inaugurated by our Principal Sir, and he has kindly agreed to address on this occasion. The IIC at CBIT has been conducting a number of programs in innovation, incubation, IPR, entrepreneurship, startups to develop the innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem in the campus. The IIC, in association with our EDC, is organizing the event and the celebration of World Entrepreneurs Day and conducting various events between 21st and 24th August 21. So we have the first session on building successful startups today by our alumni, and followed by debate and poster competition in the afternoon. The team at CBIT also has planned events like Entrepreneurs in Current Scenario, Opportunities and Challenges, Entrepreneurs Outlook in Organizations, Possibilities and Constraints by startup founders and alumni, Mr. Prasad Kandimalla, and MD, CEO of Lausin Biotech, and Mr. Navneet Kumar, Executive Head, Hexagon Capability Center. So 2 lecture sessions by our internal experts, panel discussion on entrepreneurship with students and faculties will also benefit our students. So now I would like to hand over to Dr. Narahari Sastry to invite our principal, Dr. P. Ravindra Reddy Garu, to address the gathering and inaugurate the event. Thank you all.
Thank you, Umakant Chaudhary sir. I have the privilege to introduce our beloved principal, CBIT, Dr. P. Ravindra Reddy Garu, who is working since 32 years in our college. He has strong experience in both teaching and also in research. He has published over 330 papers, both in international journals and conferences. He has completed 32 research projects sponsored by DRDL, UGC, AICT, DST, etc. To his credit, he has 1 patent granted and also 6 patents are published by him. He is guiding more than 24 PhD research scholars from different universities. He has delivered more than 36 keynote lectures in various international conferences. Sir, I, on behalf of CBIT, request you to inaugurate the World Entrepreneurship Day celebration today and request you to take over the charge, sir. P. Ravindra Reddy, sir.
Sir, we'd
Yeah.
we'd like you to switch on your video, sir.
Okay. So, very good morning. And thank you, Professor Naral Shastri Garu, for a nice introduction. Professor Umakant Chaudhary Garu, Mr. Venkatesh Yaramalla, CEO, Confluence Center for Sustainable Development, who is the immediate keynote speaker for building successful startups. All the directors, heads of departments, faculty, and the students. Welcome you all once again for World Entrepreneurs Day. That today, the first session is inauguration, followed by the session on the building successful startups. Congratulations to all the faculty, Director I&I, and associated, all the members for hosting this 4 days program virtually to enrich the knowledge for all our students. The R&D hub at CBIT, with its state-of-the-art infrastructure, is helping to promote innovations and entrepreneurship amongst the faculty and the students by identifying new research areas, different products, various innovations, and different startups. All research activities are being streamlined to make a mark, make in India concept of Indian government. The institution is keen to foster the development of research and innovations in the diverse area of sciences, technology, and the management to create a wealth of human resources in different specified fields of expertise. In order to develop the entrepreneurship ecosystem, CBIT had collaborated with the T-Tribe for the Launchpad program during 2021. Also with the T-Works and Rich Hyderabad for guiding the students for entrepreneurship and startups. CBIT has also signed a MOU with many industries and government institutions to train their students for industry-related activities, different projects, and also participating the various internship programs. World Entrepreneurs Day is celebrated on 21st August to create awareness for entrepreneurship, innovation, and leadership throughout the world. World Entrepreneurship Day is the day of founders, managers, producers, contractors, industrialists, innovations, administrators, and their designers. The mission of the World's Entrepreneurs Day is to remind the world that it is entrepreneurs who have consistently and courageously led economy to prosperity and growth through innovation and job creation. Ministry of Education Innovation Cell has always focused on creating complete ecosystem which will foster the culture of innovation across all education institutions, from idea generation to pre-incubation, incubation, and graduating from the incubator as successful startups. Ministry of Education will announce MIC-driven activity for celebrating World Entrepreneurs Day on 21st August 2021. As advised by MIC, the IIC cell of CBIT in association with the EDC cell of CBIT will be organizing following online events between 21st to 24th August 2021. The panel discussion with the student, faculty, and staff entrepreneurs, innovative talk with startups, co-founders, organized debates, poster making competitions on entrepreneurship, write the cases of successful startup founders, Hindrance faced by entrepreneurs. Create a short video on life of campus entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurship is important for a number of reasons, from promoting social change to driving innovation. Entrepreneurs are frequently thought of as national assets to be cultivated and motivated and to the greatest possible extent. And CBIT's motto is Swayam Tejaswin Bhav. And we have so many of entrepreneurs who have been in different diversified fields, and they have been supporting our students for enriching knowledge, what theoretically that's going on in the institution, collaborate with those and coming out with the sufficient knowledge to start with and contribute to growth of economy. Entrepreneurs in India have shown their ability to adapt to changing economic environment and deal positively with the uncertainties in the marketplace. The importance of entrepreneurship is to be understood by the young generation, which can change their lives. In that sense, in the curriculum, we have been included entrepreneurship for last 15 years, and the EDC cell was consistently supporting many years, organizing the 3-day summit, where the entrepreneurs and all the other colleges and our college students used to organize and develop the entrepreneurs skills. The importance of entrepreneurs is to be understood by the young generation, which can change their lives. I congratulate the CBIT team for having arranged the invited talks by startup founders, alumni, and our internal resource persons, and other activities for the celebration of World Entrepreneurs Day. I hereby declare the official inauguration of celebration of World Entrepreneurs Day at CBIT Hyderabad right now. I advise the students to participate and avail the opportunities to transform themselves with entrepreneurship competencies and industry relevant skills. When you want to do something with all your heart, you make efforts to do that. Nothing could stop anyone to get success in everyone's life. I wish that this program will have a great impact on our younger generation. All the students who have joined, and definitely they gain knowledge, and some of them surely they will have a mindset of starting their own startups, where we have ACIC and MIC, and we have MSME all in the institution. Definitely it is going to be great usefulness for all the young generation. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much,
Thank you.
Principal Sir.